Hello students, welcome to 8th standard English second paper abbreviations and acronyms. Abbreviations and acronyms, page number 80. First of all, abbreviation. What is meant by abbreviation? An abbreviation is the short form of a word. It cannot be pronounced as a word. An abbreviation is the short form of a word. Okay, example, MA, Master of Arts. You are already studied 7th standard. See, what is my abbreviation? Abbreviation is the short form of a word. Okay, next, what is meant by acronym? An acronym is a word formed from the initial letters of a group of words. Okay, what is meant by acronyms? Acronyms is a word formed from the initial letters. Initial letters means first letters. Okay, initial letters of a group of words. It can be pronounced as a word. Okay, see example, abbreviation BBC, expansion, British Broadcasting Corporation. Next, CPU, Central Processing Unit. CD, Compact Disc. KG, Kilogram. SBI, State Bank of India. Okay, these are the example of abbreviations. Next, see acronyms. What is meant by acronyms? Acronym means is a word formed from a initial letters of a group of words. See TOEFL. See all the words in capital. Expansions, test of English as a foreign language. Next, see SALT, group of words. Salt, strategic arms limitation tax. Next, SARC, SAARC, all letters capitals. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Next, NASA, 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 National Aeronautics and Space Administration. These are the example of acronyms. Okay. See exercise. Give the right expansion of UGC, University Grants Commission. SIM, Subscriber Identity Module. PIN, Postal Index Number. AIR, All India Radio. TNPSC, Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Next, AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndromes. CPU, Central Processing Unit. TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language. Okay, these are the examples of abbreviation and acronyms. Okay, what is meant by abbreviation? An abbreviation is a short form of a word. What is meant by acronyms? Acronym is a word formed from a initial letters of a group of words. Okay. See next, spellings. Spelling. It is important to write English correctly. Spelling mistakes, however, are common. Some suggestions like the following may be helpful in writing correctly. Words ending with Y. If there is consonant before the final Y in a word, it is changed to I before a suffix. See example, carry, carriage, marry, marriage. Okay. See CARRY ending with Y and how will you write carriage, CARRIAGE. Next, but if there is a vowel before Y, the spelling does not change. Okay, example, obey, obeyed, pray, prayed. Y is also retained when the suffix is ing. Suffix. Example, marry, marrying, carry, carrying. Next, use of suffix bull. The second I is dropped in words to which full is added. Care plus full, careful. Help plus full, helpful. Next, doubling a consonant. One syllable words end in a single vowel plus single consonants double the consonant. See, this happens when the suffix begins with a vowel. B, G plus ing. B-G-G-I-N-G, begging. R-U-N plus I-N-G. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. See, but when two consonants or two vowels appear before the final letter, this does not happen. Tear plus ing, tearing. Watch plus ing, watching. See, doubling I. If the last letter of a word's E, if the suffix begins with a vowel, then E is omitted. Okay, example, achieve, achieving, move, moving. But if the suffix begins with a consonant, E is retained. Sincere plus ly, sincerely. Immediate plus ly, immediately. Exception, but in a few words the final E is dropped. True, truly. Whole plus ly, wholly. Words ending in E. In words ending in E, there is no change before a suffix. Okay, example, agree, agreed. See, seeing. Okay, see some exercise. Correct the spelling of the following words. Incorrect, correct. Automobile, automobile. A-U-T-O-M-O-B-E-L-E, incorrect. And correct, automobile. A-U-T-O-M-O-B-I-L-E. Commission, 1 M and correct, commission, 2 M. Come. C-O-M-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Curtain. Incorrect, C-U-R-T-E-I-N. Correct, C-U-R-T-A-I-N. Hygiene, hygiene. Independent, independent. Musician, musician. Occurrence, occurrence. Parliament, parliament. Tuition, tuition. Satellite, satellite. Diarrhea, diarrhea. These are the spellings. Okay, 1 or 2 times read, then only understands. Okay, next see punctuation. See, the 7th standard only study what is punctuation. Punctuation marks are visual indicators used in a written or printed text in order to separate sentence or part of a sentence from another. What is my punctuation marks? Question marks, comma, colon, exclamatory, semicolon, capital letters, apostrophe, inverted comma, semicolon, colon. These are the punctuation marks. Okay. See the full stop. The full stop is intended to indicate to end of a sentence. It is also used to abbreviation including title and initial. Example, Mr. for Mr. MA for Master of Arts. Full stop. Okay. Next, the question mark. What's your name? Question mark. Okay. How do you do? The question mark is used end of the direct question. Okay. What do you want? Next, comma. The comma indicates a shorter pause than full stop, colon or semicolon. The comma is used to separate the items in a sentence. Example, John, come here, comma. She is gentle, comma, honest is and faithful. Next, colon. The colon is used to mark a sharp contrast and also it is used before list of things. Example, to err is human, to forgive is divine. See, bring me the following: a basin, some water, comma, soap and a towel. These are the colon. Okay. Next, exclamatory. The exclamatory marks used at the end of the interjection. Example, oh dear, what a lovely boy. Okay, exclamatory. What is hyphen? The hyphen is used to connect the part of a compound words and it is used between the prefix and the word. Example, doctor-in-law, passer-by, co-education. Okay. Next, the semicolon. The semicolon is used to separate main class in compound sentence not joined by the conjunction. Example, she was honest and hardworking. She was promoted out of turn. Okay. Next, inverted commas. Inverted commas are used to enclose the words actually used by the speaker. Example, a little boy said, please tell me the correct time now. Okay, it's the quotation marks, inverted commas. Next, apostrophe. The apostrophe it is used to show that the noun it is in the possessive case. Example, Mr. Rahim's house. Moses' father. Next, capital letters. A capital letter is used at the beginning of every sentence. Example, a personal pronoun is always written as a capital letter. The first letter as a name of a day, month, region or festival of a capital letter. Example, he said H. Monday, M is capital letter. Independence Day, I is a capital letters. Okay, these are the punctuations. See examples. As Caesar loved me, I weep for him as he was fortunate. I rejoice at it as he was valiant. I honor him, but as he was ambitious, I slew him. See, first letter is a capital letter. As Caesar loved me, comma, I weep for him, full stop, as he was fortunate, comma, I rejoiced at it, full stop, as he was valiant, I honor, comma, but as he was ambitious, comma, I slew, full stop. Okay, see which place capital letters, which place comma or next capital letters, you read. Okay, then only understand. Okay, see next. See history, it has been said and rightly too is the essence of many stories, biographies and autobiographies. See first H, question say H is a small letter. How will you write? First letter capital letters. History, it I is a capital letter. It has been said and rightly too is the essence of many stories, comma, biographies and autobiographies, full stop. Okay, see next. See he spares noun, none, high or low, rich or poor, man or woman. He, H is a capital letter, spares none, high or low, comma, rich and poor, comma, man or woman, full stop. Okay, and is for us. Next, are you ready to work with him? Asked Rajesh. Are you ready to work with me? Asked Rajesh. Rajesh, full stop. Okay, these are the example of punctuations. What is punctuation? Punctuation marks are usual indicators used in a written or printed text in order to separate a sentence or part of a sentence from another. Punctuation mark. What are the punctuation mark? Question mark, comma, colon, exclamation, capital letter, apostrophe, inverted comma, semicolon, hyphen. Okay, these are the punctuations. Okay, study students. Thank you.